Taking a look at my schematic, my bottom piece fits in between my two side pieces. Because the total width of the project, not including the top, is 24 inches, and my sides are 3/4 of an inch thick veneer, I can take 24 inches, subtract 3/4 of an inch for the left side, 3/4 of an inch for the right side, and that gives me a total length of 22.5 inches. And because I only have one of these pieces, it is not necessary to set up a stop block. So I'm going to measure this to a length of 22.5 inches, mark it, and then very slowly make my cut. I am then left with my one bottom shelf, which measures a length of 22.5 inches, a width of 11 inches, and a thickness of 3/4 of an inch.